Hello everybody, in this video we are going to be unboxing and setting up the Valor VP550. So let's start by unboxing, seeing what we got underneath. Alright. You got the terminal. And underneath the cardboard, be sure to keep an eye out for the charging cable. Then also, the roll of paper. To load paper, open the print bay door at the top of the device, and then grab the roll of paper, and then it should be coming out the bottom like this. Then you can put it right here and close the door over the paper like that. And then you can rip off any excess on the serrated edge. Okay, after the terminal starts the boot up process, it's going to ask you for an EPI number, and also it's going to check the network status. And then since it's not connected to the internet, it's going to ask you to go into the setup. So hit this green button and then go to Wi-Fi right here. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. It's going to look for your network. Then find your network. Then add the password. Then hit connect. Once it's connected, you'll see that the signal icon up here has changed. So just hit the back button. And then now you can enter your EPI ID. For this demo, we are going to use a pre-made EPI. Once you have your EPI entered, you hit the green button. And then it's going to start downloading the application. And if it kicks you out and makes you access the Valor Pay app again, just go ahead and hit it one more time. Okay. And then hit the enter button one more time. And then it's going to download the parameters. Okay, parameter download success. Great. And now it's on the main menu. It should say credit and sale. So now our terminal is ready for use. All right, so let's run a credit sale transaction. To do that, just put in any amount on the pin pad. For this demonstration, I'm just going to put $1 in, and then hit the green enter button. Then it's going to give you a confirmation prompt right here. Just hit yes. And then you have three ways to present the card. You can use the chip reader at the bottom. You can use the swiper on the side. And you can use the contactless feature on top of the print bay door. Okay, so let's run a credit sale transaction. To do that, we're going to enter $1 just for this demonstration, but you can put any dollar amount here. And then hit the green enter button, and then confirm with the green yes button. And then from here, you have three options to use the card. You can, actually four options. You can enter it in manually through this menu right here. You can also use the chip reader down at the bottom, the swiper on the side, and also the contactless feature on top of the print bay door. So let's try the contactless feature out. Okay, then it's going to prompt for the signature from the customer, but I'm just going to put that in there for the demonstration and then hit OK. And then it's going to give you some receipt options. You can print the receipt for the merchant copy, or you can also text the customer the receipt by entering their phone number here. Or if you just press the green enter button, it's going to conclude the sale and print out the merchant copy. And there we go. And it's going to show you the customer's receipt right here because they signed on the display. And do you want to print a customer copy? Okay, so we'll hit yes. So now we have our merchant copy, and now we have our customer copy. And you can give this to the customer with their receipt. Okay, so let's just do another transaction just to show you how that works. I'm gonna only do 1 penny this time, and then I'm gonna chip the card in this way. Then sign, and then just print the receipt out. Okay, there you got it. Merchant copy, customer copy. Okay, so now if we need to void a sale for any reason before you've batched out, what you can do is actually press this button right here. You see where it says sale? If you actually tap on the sale button, it changes the function so you can run a different type of transaction. So you can void the transaction by transaction number or the card number. So let's try transaction number. Let's do transaction 1, which was our dollar amount here. So we want to void that and then hit enter. And that will void the transaction. You can print out the merchant copy and or a customer copy if you want to. I'm going to say no on that one. Save some paper. And that's it for voiding. Okay, guys. Now we are going to settle the batch. To do that, you are going to press this menu button at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Should be 3 lines. And then from there, you can tap on the option where it says settlement. And then it's going to say auto settlement enabled. Do you want to settle batch? If you hit yes, it's going to settle the batch. No, it's going to settle out at the automatic time that we have set earlier. But in case you have it set on manual, or if you want to close out early, you can go ahead and hit the yes button. And then it's going to connect and process the batch report. It's going to print that out and show you the detail. Of course, we only have like 2 cents on here, but it's going to be a lot longer than that if there's a lot of transactions on there. And then eventually it's going to show you batch closed at the bottom of this receipt here. There you go. That's how we close the batch. Now, if the terminal asks you for a password, for example, to avoid a transaction or to settle a batch early, your password by default is going to be the last 4 digits of your EPI, and it will always show the EPI on the screen whenever asking for the password. Just keep in mind that it's the last 4 digits of whatever number is presented on the screen.